Right, we should all be on. Sync them up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What a fucking faff. Sound recorder is on, I think.
I hope so this time. Sounds throaty this morning, or this afternoon.
This?
Yeah. I must have just caught it at the right angle. I've actually got my camera on this time, so I'll film coming up through the gorge now.
When this red car there coming back round, it's a Tribe of 125s, look.
Yep. As you were saying earlier, we don't normally see groups of lads riding anymore, do you?
No. Christ, when we were nippers, we was out all the time in bloody great groups.
Yeah. Nice to see they're still taking the battles out, thinking it makes them quicker.
It's great, isn't it, this gorge?
Yeah.
Almost gorgeous.
Old boots didn't come down this far last time, did they?
No, I don't think so. No, it might be worth a run through here with them.
Well, I suppose from Dorset, Cheddar is on the way to the West Country, isn't it? In a roundabout sort of way.
But all this shit, like, it's still bloody falling down. When we get up round here, you'll see there's new colour fresh stone where it's all fell down.
Bloody road, wasn't it?
And they're sort of banging a peg in and hanging off of that. Yeah, not me.
Have to keep an eye out, see if we can find that sign on the way up.
Yeah.
I used to work with an old boy called Dickie, I don't know if I told you, and he lived in freshwater on the Isle of Wight, and they supplied the white cliffs to get bird eggs years ago.
Oh yeah.
And he fell off the top of one of them. I said, and you survived? He goes, I was in a coma for months. He said, but I was alright, I landed on my head. But yeah, he fell about 100 foot onto the Burn Rock Beach, and he survived it. He's only a youngster, about 12 years old, I think.
Where's the goats? This is where the goats were.
Rugby's doing it again, doesn't it?
Yeah.
To be fair, they do patch it up yearly, but the other bits, isn't it?
Yeah, can't see the goats anymore.
If this went on for 20 miles, people would travel the world for this road, wouldn't they?
Oh, it'd be great, wouldn't it? That'd be fucking great though, wouldn't it? If you were rock climbing up here and you just come up to the edge at the top, and as you pull yourself up, there's a fucking goat there waiting to headbutt you. Oh, he's having a shit. Waiting to headbutt you and send you back down at a great rate of knots.
Yeah. My luck at a bit Benny goat with a pair of bloody great horns.
But it is a lovely ride through here.
It is. Just not long enough.
Nah. That pisses me off, the way they just bloody park on the road there.
Yeah. Just where they like,
yeah, look, there, look. That's all crumbled and come down.
That's a big old dump as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know they put that there to stop it from going any further, but it obviously fell off at one point, didn't it?
Fuck's sake, look at that. Not only that, look how it chews up all the verges.
there's not enough parking spots either, is there?
That's definitely where that sign was.
Yes.
And it's gone. I'll keep an eye out, but...
Yeah, I saw there's a couple of stickers on the back of that Apple sign on the left, but...
Was there? But I can't remember seeing any sign up here.
No, it was, I'm sure it was on those, where those fences were.
Oh, I smell somebody's brakes. Or clutch, whatever it is.
Yeah. That's the smell of Porlock Hill, that is, isn't it?
Yeah.
And hard not.
Mind you, I bet our clutches took a beating when we were behind them cows.
Yes. Yeah, I think it took about 6 months off of mine.
No, there's definitely no sign, is there?
I know. Oh, it's got to be out again.
Oh, I wonder what that's got left. Hey, Cardo, battery status.
Battery status, 75%.
75%.
Hey, Cardo, battery status. Mine's on 75% as well. Sub-engine. That's nice down that way.
Oh, that way, yeah.
Yeah, I did the Simon Weir route.
0.3.
Hey, Cardo, radio off.
Radio on.
Fucking thing.
What's your temperature gauge saying now then?
3 degrees.
Off the top of my head, I can't think of one of their songs.
When will I see you again?
Was that one of theirs?
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
I say this every time I come out, we are a bloody sport boat here, aren't we? No matter where you go in the country, there's always lovely roads, isn't there?
Yep, yeah. That bastard's managed to cut his grass. Mine was still a bit wet.
Yeah, I was supposed to do mine yesterday, earn some brown points, but
What's this bike here? He ain't broke down, is he?
I don't know. It's when you see him laying on the side and no one around, you get worried, don't you? Thinking what bloody heads they gone through.
Oh, look, you can hardly see that red tractor.
Turkey, isn't it? Or nasty.
Look at it, lovely. He's an old one.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice.
We got a left turn coming up here, haven't we?
No, we'll have a right turn in a bit.
I've got a left turn for some reason. Coming up at
Yeah.
waypoint 26, something 36.
36? I'm coming up to waypoint 20.
I'm 28. The next one after that's 27. I'm going backwards.
You haven't reversed the route, have you, or something?
I haven't done anything with it.
I reckon in a minute, pull over and you stop it and start it again.
I'll just follow you. Waypoint 19 is 5.5 miles away.
Waypoint 19?
Yes.
So yours is running it backwards. You've reversed the route somehow.
This is what happened last time, wasn't it?
Midsummer Norton. There's a load of murders there, isn't there?
Yeah. I know we're nowhere near the end of the day, but it's been bloody good so far.
Yeah. Like you say, it's just bloody good to get out again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, you jazzy bastard.
You could make a whole series of videos about that, couldn't you?
Moaning about Honda Jazzes.
You know, old Mr. Flower or phones about the white van.
Oh yeah,
Yours-
Mate,
Yours is a Jazz.
the Honda Jazz. Oh, it's a dog. I thought he had a kid in his
I
arms.
couldn't work out what it was.
I thought it was a kid with a big mop of ginger hair. It was a cockapoo.
Yeah. How's your stomach with them tablets?
I've not taken any today. I'm stopping taking them.
Oh,
They're
too messy.
I said they don't make you lose weight. You've still got to try and diet with them.
Yeah.
But what it does do, everything you eat, it reduces the amount of uptake of fat that your body takes from that food.
Yeah.
So all it's done really is just makes you shit through the eye of a needle and shit through the eye of a needle more often. But you get no warning at all. You think, oh shit, I need a crap.
Too late.
Yeah. I shit myself again, dear. Help. And it turns you into Johnny Cash with his burning ring of fire. Oh. No, I was going to say 8.3 miles and then we're on the 360 down to Salisbury.
Oh, that's not a flyer.
I just thought I'd send us this way because it's a nice road.
Yeah, I don't know why my eyes have been watering nearly all day. Usually when that happens, my back is big up bothering.
It's probably that Zeist anti-fog melting your fucking eyeballs.